Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe LT 4x4. That is a great sounding engine, so I'm going to go ahead and take it for a tour. See, it does have alloy wheels, fixed running boards, tow package. See, it does have a tan leather interior with captain's chairs in the second row. All right, so the VIN right here, it does have 2 driver presets, and I'll add still photos as well. E2 and 4-wheel drive toggle right there. Okay, as you look down here, you'll see that it does have 52,273 miles on this vehicle. Your sensors, your cruise control, and these are also your trip computer toggles and your push to talk. Just come down here, here's your key fob. See that you also have heated seats in the front, additional power supplies, USB ports. I can turn this down a little bit. There we go. You can also put that up to run your USB in the back or to store DVDs or whatnot in there. Okay, so go to the radio. We'll go ahead and turn that down. But as you continue to hit radio, you'll see that you also have the option of AM, FM, Sirius XM. Okay, there's your navigation. And then if you want to see the backup camera, pop it in reverse. There's the backup camera. All right, and then there are your menus. So coming down here, you'll see here's your disk drive, cup holders, additional power supplies, USB and auxiliary ports in there. See, it does have a Bose sound system. And then up here, you've got your glasses holder and your conversation mirror. That about wraps it up for this Chev on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here to the right, rear passenger quarter panel. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.